Welcome. In today's technical help video, we're going to talk about adding some extra functionality to our Facebook author page or Facebook business page. We're going to talk about adding what is commonly referred to as a tab. The tab will exist in this area down here, and you're probably saying to yourself, well, it kind of looks like a menu line bar, but it doesn't really look like a tab. And the reality is that Facebook constantly is changing, and this functionality used to exist where my pointer is at the bottom of the header graphic, and it actually really did look like a tab. So the name sort of carries on. We still refer to these areas or this area as a selection of tabs. So in previous videos, we have talked about adding a connection to Goodreads, and we've also talked about adding a connection to your Twitter account. In today's video, we're turning our attention to YouTube. The way we're going to add this functionality is we're going to use WooBox. So I'm going to click on this tab up here, and this brings me to my WooBox account. WooBox has a paid portion and a free portion. What you're looking at here is kind of the paid portion. If you sign up for a free account using your Facebook account, it automatically attaches WooBox to Facebook, and then we move on from that point. The functionality that we're going to use is what's called static tabs. So I'm going to click on that, and it brings up this screen, and you'll see that Twitter is sitting here. We've already done a video on how to connect your Twitter account, and that's why this is sitting here. For today, I'm going to click on Create a New Tab, and I'm going to choose YouTube. It's going to whir a little bit and bring up this screen. The two areas that I need to fill in are down here. So the description reads YouTube username and a featured URL. It's a little bit misleading. What needs to be entered in this area is actually the URL to your channel minus the youtube.com. So if I switch over to this tab, this has my YouTube channel, and I've already highlighted the URL, the direct URL for my channel. So I'm going to go back over to WooBox and I'm going to paste it in. You'll notice that it already has included the youtube.com part. So I just need to remove that from what I pasted in. There we go. So I'm going to go to here and delete the extra part and just leave from channel on. The next field that we need to fill in is this featured URL. So the featured URL is actually the video of the group that you want being the primary video visible on Facebook. So I'm going to go back over to Bakerview YouTube. The video that I like the best of all of the ones that I've done is how to create an ebook using Vellum. So I'm going to click on that. Going to stop it from playing, and I'm going to copy the direct URL for that. I'm going to go back over to WooBox, and I'm just going to simply click and paste. You'll notice that we have 2 slash marks, so it only wants everything after the slash. So I just delete the HTTP. That's all I need. I save settings. It'll whir a little bit. All right, now I'm going to go back over to Facebook, and I'm going to refresh my Facebook page. And there you see, sitting at the bottom of the line of tabs or the menu line is YouTube. So if I click on that, and I'm going to stop this from actually playing. There we go. It has brought over all of the information from my YouTube channel. The primary video that it's showing is the one that shows how to use Vellum. And then as I scroll down, you can see all of the other videos that I've done. Easily playable. You'll notice that I can hover over and play any of them, and it'll play it right from Facebook. The thing I don't like is that it's at the bottom of the list. So to move that tab up in the list, I simply click on Settings. and then edit page. And it'll bring up the list of all of the tabs. I simply click on YouTube, drag it up, and I'm going to have it sit right underneath Twitter. So then if I click on page and go back to sort of the public side, you'll see that YouTube nicely sits underneath Twitter. And if I click on it, it'll activate. And people can watch my YouTube videos from my Facebook page. Pretty handy. Try this out for yourself and see if you like this, adding this functionality to your Facebook page.